Alright guys, welcome back. I just ran this test. I'm just going to run it one more time just to make sure everything was correct on it. But now I have the upscaling sharpening set to Fidelity CAS. So I think this is the one that's not going to, it's going to render the same exact display resolution that I'm currently running at. So I appreciate the guy that commented on my last video and told me that. So I'm going to rerun the benchmark with this one, and I basically just wanted to keep the render resolution as the same as the display. So here we go. It should be the same though as what this just got. Okay, so it's 2 frames higher on this one. So this is 70 frames per second, 2560 by 1440. Everything is on screen right there. You guys can see it. So yeah, very happy with this NVIDIA 3060, man. I can't wait to go to the 4 series, but I'm not sure when. Probably be sometime next year. I'll upgrade, because as you can see, the GPU is 99% the bottleneck right now. So anyways, you guys, appreciate you guys stopping by. I appreciate that guy for dropping that comment and letting me know what I had to change in order to make it 2560 by 1440, 100% render resolution. Appreciate you, brother, and I'll see you guys later.